Welcome back. We're most slowly making improvements to our game. We've got our logs spawning in different places. We've got a uWin GUI. However, if you were a completely new player that joined this game, you would find it very hard to work out what to do. So we're going to give some feedback to the player, and we're going to do that by using the sign that we created at the beginning of the course, the sign model, to give the player feedback about what they should be doing. So this is there's a bit of work in this, believe it or not, in making this work. However, at the end of it, when we come to the last video of the section and saving data, you'll see why all that effort was worth it. So let's get started by adding the sign. If we come up to Workspace and right click on it and come down to Insert from File, all right, and come over to our models for our sign model and bring it in. Now, if you didn't do this, it's really not a big deal. You can make your own by going back, but I'd say I'll put this in. I'll put this in as a resource. I haven't finished yet, so but I will. I'll put it in as a resource. All right, so we've got a sign here, and it's a bit hard to read at the moment, so let's scale it up a bit to make it a bit bigger. Right, and inside of our sign, the surface GUI, so we've got this, we want to make our text stand out a little bit more. So down the bottom here, rather than picking a size, so to speak, let's try text scaled. All right. It may look a bit clunky. However, if there's less words, it'll be bigger. If there's more words, it'll just shrink it down, and it should make it easy enough to read. All right, so this is our sign that's going to appear here. Now, at the moment, we've got pickup brick on there. We want nothing to be on there because we're going to change this in our code when the game starts. So that's all this video is to start with, just to get the sign in, get it positioned, and make these changes to it if you needed to do it. Just make sure it can be readable, basically. Alright, so in the next video, I'm going to explain to you how we are going to handle the data in order to program our sign. So I will see you in that video very shortly.